Even you are saying that Goans should not be allowed in the casinos.
To gamble.
Correct. So,
Yes.
so you are agreeing in principle that it is bad.
No, it is bad.
So Goans should
It
not be
was
allowed,
ba-
but rest of the people can be
No,
allowed.
it was
These are not
bad.
your double
See,
standards.
I would still say that the casinos are already coming. We cannot stop it right now.
So stop Goans.
I'm
No,
interrupting.
stop.
No, I'll take Raju and
There
I'll
are
come to you.
certain Goans
Yeah.
who are still have got the vice of going and gambling inside. They
So
are on
stop
salary.
Goans, let rest of the country gamble.
No, they are tourists who are businessmen who are coming to gamble. If not Goa, they'll go to Sri Lanka, they'll go to Macau, they'll go some other country. But they'll go to gamble.
But
They are also going to. They are also going to.
Stop
hire-
our Goan youth.
Okay, okay.
Is what I am saying.
गरीबाब ऐकलंय
हय.
यही पहिले की गोंयकारांक नाका आपण बाकीच्यांनी येऊन गॅमलिंग केल्या कोता येता हे म्हणजे लॉजिकल तरी
हांकां
प्रश्न
हांकां खंयचीच तरेची पॉलिसी ना आता ते म्हणटात की एक नवी कसिनो हॉर्स शो आयले ताजे पयलीं कोयराचो प्रश्न सोडोवपाचो ताजे पयलीं पार्किंग सोडोवपाचें अशें तरेचे सगळें एक प्लॅन आसता न्ही कितेंय तूं नवें जेन्ना हाडटा यू शूड हॅव ए प्लॅन पार्किंग गार्बेज कितले तरी सोशल वायसीस ह्यो सगळ्यो कायदे येवपाक जाय गॅमलिंग आमचे कडेन कायदो ना कमिशन सरकारान स्थापन करपाक येयलें तें ना म्हणजे दीस इज ए टोटल अनार्की अशें म्हाका दिसपाक लागला आनी ह्या अनार्कीक लागून हे टुरिजम सोंपयतले ताणें सांगलां की इतलो इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आयला लोकांक नोकरी दितात हें जर बरे तरेन चलपाक जाय
Regulation सारखे आसपाक जाय.
Rules and
गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन ना
Okay.
अँड फूल मॅस
Can I speak?
Yeah, okay. Then I'll come
No,
to
after,
you.
I will
No, I will not.
No,
You come later, you come
Yeah,
later.
yeah, okay. Let
1 minute.
one point. Then I'll go to Alex.
They have talked about traffic jam. He's saying it's not only the casinos, even the hotels from south, north
Yeah,
Goa,
across,
south Goa,
yeah.
across are coming. I'm saying let the government stop casinos from tomorrow for 3 months and see the traffic difference.
Okay.
Then I will say, okay, you see the difference from tomorrow for 3 months, no plying of casinos, and you see the difference of this thing.
Okay. Alex.
See, there is no question of 3 months. Casinos are not there. If 3 months casinos are there, Manoj Parrikar will go. Anyway, that's besides the point. What is important is, I am clear. Michael understood what I meant.
Yeah.
Let us talk of casinos and rules and gaming. Rules and gaming. There is a Nevada commission.
Nevada Gaming Commission.
Nevada.
Nevada Gaming Commission.
Nevada. I am not an expert.
Okay.
You are an expert.
Okay, I'll come to you.
I'll help you.
Yeah, okay.
In that, rightfully, like what Michael said, there should be rules and regulations. There is something which is called social sector there.
Absolutely.
But here there is anarchy to such an extent. 1 second. Let me finish.
Let me- I'll answer.
Okay,
finish.
I'll come to you. Next I'll take.
Who has
Who has brought the anarchy?
No,
Okay,
who
I
has brought
understood.
the anarchy?
Michael,
The-
who has done the anarchy? I
government
understood.
was NCB and Congress.
Okay. So
And
you are not.
that is आम्ही आता
Don't
rules and
speak,
regulation
don't speak,
दाखवायला जाय.
don't
Okay,
speak.
Why we
I
vote?
will see
अरे
that.
18 महिने झाले rules and
Don't
regulations
speak.
Okay.
I will speak.
Michael, let Alex.
Rules and regulations will be put in place by our
Can I
government.
speak?
Okay,
You will be given a chance. You will be given a chance to speak. You will be given a chance to speak. You will be given a chance to
Michael, I'll
speak.
come back
Don't
to you.
interrupt
Okay,
me.
okay.
Don't interrupt me.
Okay, complete.
That is why I made a rightful statement. We have been thrown out. He has
I
admitted.
don't-
He has
I don't-
admitted.
I
He has
don't-
admitted.
on this. I
He
don't
has
believe-
admitted.
Okay.
He has
People of
admitted
Goa
what I
have
have
not
said.
rejected
He has
Congress
admitted.
because
He
of
has
the casinos.
admitted.
They
Now
are
you keep
rejecting
quiet.
Congress
Now
because
you
of
keep
corruption.
quiet.
Okay.
Now you keep quiet. Now listen to me.
Okay.
Now I am telling
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Now I am telling you.
Make your point.
I am making my point.
Yeah.
See, all these things have got into anarchy because to help only one person, Jaidev Modi. Why? Why one person? Let society benefit. At whose cost? Chief Minister is custodian of the law to benefit one person. Srinivasan, you tell me.
For whom are the
See,
jetties?
I'll come to you.
Tell me.
For whom are
Three
the
aspects.
jetties?
No, I'll
For whom are the
I'll put
jetties?
just-
And no, tell-
Okay, I'll just put 3 aspects into so that you can answer them one by one. The first issue is the moral pollution that Trajan Bab brought up. Second issue is rules and regulations. Whether you are happy with rules and regulations and whether you are happy with the demand that Goans should not be allowed to enter casinos.
I feel.
Okay. Third is the current issue, latest issue. This is just to benefit certain lobbies and certain
Individual.
on goodwill and certain individuals. All 3, starting with the moral pollution.
As far as moral pollution is concerned, before asking me a moral question, he says gambling is bad. In Goa, right from last 30 years, the matka is going on for the very highest
never
level.
said
Please
gambling
let
is
me
bad.
complete. When you speak,
I said
did
moral
not
things
interfere.
apart from gambling.
Okay. Let him finish now. Let him finish
I
now.
did not interrupt.
You said, I said.
You
I
said
didn't say gambling is bad.
more-
I said moral prohibition means irrespective of gambling, other things are happening.
Okay.
Understand what I said?
Okay. I'll ask him that.
Let me
Okay.
complete.
You complete.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've got pictures. Here, 80-year-old lady is going and playing matka. Here, I've got a picture where a 13-year boy is playing matka.
Okay.
Here, it's all yesterday's, huh? It is not very old. Here is the picture where a lady taking matka. Okay. And one of your media channel is running open matka in the name of Housey. Open. And this is being played by only youth and locals who cannot afford to gamble.
You are saying that
One
that
second, let
justifies
me-
another gambling.
No,
Another
no,
gambling.
no.
You justify
I'm
all
not,
wrong.
I'm
Okay.
not.
Rajan Bab, let him finish. Let him
Listen,
finish.
This,
Yeah.
as far as casinos is concerned, that is licensed and legalized by the government. Any legal licensed business, everybody has got a right to do the business if it is legal and licensed. If you talk of moral, the lawyer should not take the case of criminal. The doctor should treat everybody free. If only moral you talk about. But these are the
Okay,
legalized
second is-
profession. One second.
yeah,
let me
second
complete.
question is the
There are other
moral
things happening.
other things other than gambling.
Yeah, other things other than gambling.
Yeah.
What he is talking about.
Yeah.
Casino is here in 20 years. In 20 years, I hear this every day. In 20 years, how many cases have been registered of prostitution in the casino? How many cases of drugs which have been registered in casino or directly related to the casino? How many cases of money laundering, so-called money laundering has happened ever? That means all our law agencies, may it be police, may it be any
Any
anti-narcotics, everybody is useless. They are not doing any business, any job. One second,
Let
let
him
me
finish.
complete,
Let him
please.
finish. Yeah, let him finish.
There are so many prostitution rings which have been found in all tourist belt in north. That means you are closing down all the hotels. If there is, see, everywhere there is very tourist destination, any part of the world, may it be the holistic places, may it be the entertainment tourism, wherever there are tourists, there are some illegalities people try to do. Here we are also equally responsible and socially responsible. We don't want to associate after doing 100 crores investment. I don't have to get into the prostitution after employing 1,600 staff. I don't need prostitute money to run my business. I could do. If something going wrong, we are here. We can get together and make sure that that doesn't happen. In our casino, we have got 24-hour surveillance. Right from you enter to you go, everything is surveillance. And those surveillance are open for police to come and check any time. Please,
एकूच question
let me complete. Let me complete.
In the same context. In the
Let
same
me
context.
complete. Once
Raju,
I
आता
complete,
complete
you
करो.
ask
My
me
question.
questions. I will answer all your questions today.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Our surveillance records are available for police, narcotics, any time to come and check anything.
Okay. Second issue
One
are the
second.
rules and regulations.
Rules and regulation. Have
All
we,
casinos are available?
One second. All casinos are available. You call, I will call for the this thing. I will talk in front of the media
next.
that I will get the this
Okay.
thing.
Okay. Rules. Are you happy
Rules-
with the rules and
One
regulations?
second.
And no one should not enter casinos.
One second.
Yeah.
Let me answer your second question.
Yeah.
Have we ever said we don't want these rules, we don't want these regulations, we don't want this? We always welcome any rules and regulation comes because we know we run as per the international standards, our casinos, and we are ready for any gaming commission came. Everybody asked me, we welcome this gaming commission. This is like ISO 9002 certificate of yours, of your character. That without certificate, what you producing is not a bad goods. But by attaching a certificate, it proves your authenticity. We are welcoming any regulation. In fact, all this panel, I want them to be in the part of the committee which forms the regulation. Let them form regulation. Have we ever denied? In a village, if there is no police station, is that mean that all the villagers are chores? Police station is not there. Is the government problem? We keep a police station.
Have you written
You
to
are
government?
open for it.
We have written. We have given a
You have
representation.
written to the government to
We
ask for
have-
gaming commission?
We have representation. We have given a representation.
Okay. Alex, I will come to you. Okay.
Can I come?
Third, no, just let him finish.
Answer.
The third thing is all this, including the horseshoe case. Government is under pressure from the casino lobby to benefit certain individuals.
Monopoly, huh?
Yeah.
I'll
to
answer.
benefit certain individuals.
I'll answer.
Yeah.
Sir, you formed a rules saying that offshore casinos we are giving licenses. People brought whatever ships available, they brought, they started. But the expenses, it was only 1 crore license. We suddenly you made it 5 crores and you made 6.5 crores. Your entertainment tax, you suddenly, it was not there, you made it 10 and you made it 15%. Expenses of operation has become so high. Secondly, this law, the marine law keeps changing. Your old vessels at some times cannot comply with the old keeping, because other day there was a
Laws are not
accident.
changing. Huh?
There was a
Laws are not
accident.
changing.
No.
Laws have been changed.
No,
Okay,
not. I am not talking about your Goan laws. MS Act. MS Act is
Okay,
not done by
let's
locals.
talk about
Okay,
MS Act
okay,
also.
okay.
I will come to
MS
MS
Act
Act.
Yeah, make your point, make your
We
point.
will come to MS
Yeah,
Act.
yeah, make
MS
your
Act
point.
keep changing.
Yeah.
The requirement, new requirement comes, and we have to comply with the requirements. So you have to upgrade your vessel. Whether it is a 5-star hotel, whether you are in a shop, you have got a right to upgrade. There are no rules in place that what should be the size of upgradation, what should be this thing. He said taxi.
But there are
One second,
government
let-
is
let-
pressurized to give licenses
No,
to
no.
some favorite individuals.
Only one.
Never.
Say yes.
Never.
I'll
Only
prove
one
it to you.
now.
I will prove it to you.
Okay,
I
okay.
will prove it to you. I
Only the
will
other
prove
one.
it
I'll prove it to you.
Let me
I'll
tell
prove it to you.
You just make the
whatever
point.
name he is quoting, he
Yeah.
has got 3 licenses.
Yeah.
It is not he has got a 3 license. It is a listed company which owns 3 licenses. It was given to, one license was given to a prominent industrialist of Goa. Who couldn't run it? Who sold a license? Who asked a Goan to sell that license to him? 2 licenses have been sold to him. I mean, it is their prerogative and their commercial interest.
Okay, Rajiv, you wanted to ask a
no,
question.
I want to ask a
Okay,
question.
Rajiv, I wanted
Is
to
there
ask-
any restriction in the law?
Atul
Is there an, एक minute, one second. Is there any restriction in the law? You should have put a restriction. One person can hold only 1 license. You have
Okay,
not put
you
a
would have
restriction.
complied with it. Okay, Rajiv, your
श्रीनिवास
question.
बाबान जे पळय सांगला ती एक बाजू जाली
हय.
सदांच टुरिजमा कडेन पळयता आसतना इमोरल म्हणून सदांच पळयतात केन्नाय कितें बारीकशें सुरू जाता आनी गव्हर्मेंट जर फर्म नासत तातूंत भितर इमोरल एक्टिविटीज सुरू जातात आनी टुरिजमांतले आनी कसिनो जगभर जेन्ना आमी पळयतात तेन्ना तातूंत लोक कित्याक भितात कसिनोक सगळ्यान व्हडली भंय आसता तातूंत भितर बायलांचें लैंगीक शोशण जावपाचें म्हणून गोंयची कसिनोचेर आमी पळयलां गोंयची कसिनो चलताले सुरवातेक ते प्रॉफिटान नाशिल्ले अशे तरेचे कागाळ हेच लोक करताले प्रॉफिटान केन्ना आयले आतां हांव हें सबिना मार्टिन्सा कडेन उलयलां बायलांच्यो ज्यो संघटना काम करतात तांचो आरोप आसा गोंयच्यो कसिनो प्रॉफिटान आयल्यो जेन्ना थंय वयर डान्स बायलांचे सुरू जाले दिस इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस इशू दिस इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस
Ridiculous
इशू
issue.
नो नो आय विल टेल यू आय
Welcome to you.
विल टॉक टू यू
Semi-nude, semi-nude.
आणि तुमकां आनी एक गजाल सांगता अशे तरेची पळय जेन्ना इंडस्ट्री आसा स्वता श्रीनिवास बाबान सांगला क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज इन्वेस्टेड थाउजंड्स ऑफ क्रोर्स रुपीज आर इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस टायप ऑफ बिझनेस आनी जाता कितें गोंय सारकें गोवा इज अ व्हेरी स्मॉल प्लेस द गव्हर्मेंट इज व्हेरी वीक गव्हर्मेंट इज वीक आमी पळयलां मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री मुखार गव्हर्मेंट इज वीक मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री मुखार जालेंच टुरिजम मुखार वीक बिकॉज दे आर इन्वेस्टिंग सो मच आणि ते इतले पैसे पॉलिटिक्सांक घालतात गव्हर्मेंट इज वीक गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉवेर गोन टू एक्शन तर तो पळय कितें म्हणटा न्ही ते म्हाका दिसता
rules and regulations सारखे आसूंकच जाय.
सौ चुहे खाके बिल्ली हाज कोचरी म्हणून जो प्रकार आहा तो प्रकार सरकारान हे करचें न्ही हांव सांगता सरकार काय करपाना तांकां जर इंटरेस्ट आसा तांकां जर ही इंडस्ट्री क्लीन करपाची आसा म्हज्या मतान ताणें पळय सगळें म्हणलें ह्या सगळ्या लोकांक घेयात आनी काय टॉप लोकांक घालात
Gaming commission करा.
गेमिंग कमिशन करात तुम्ही फुडें यात गव्हर्मेंट करना न्ही आमी ह्या लोकांक घालतात लेट देम वॉच
Okay.
It's
Now,
open करा.
now let us come to the most crucial issue of corruption. Now the whole thing is happening. You are saying governmentaचे pressure येता सगळी जाता.
हांव
Is
prove
basically because of corruption. Before Michael, this is the time we will talk
I am
corruption.
making a
Prove it.
serious allegation.
Prove it.
I am proving it and I am making a serious allegation of whatever I have said. 500 रुपया 2000 हाती 500 रुपया केली
किती केली?
बस राव उलय नाका कोण उलय नाका
But complete.
I'll
Then I'll take
complete.
Michael on this.
You take Michael on this. Huh?
Yeah.
I want Michael to
Yes, yes. I'll take Michael on this.
2000 हाती 500 केली लँड कझिनो फी आहा ती 25 लाख आहा ती आय एम टेलिंग यू लिसन केअरफुली 25 लाख आहा ती 2 करोड केली करेक्ट मी फाय
2.5 कोटी केली.
2.5 कोटी आणि 2 करोड आहा ती 150 करोड केली
5 असे 150 कोटी.
हा ओके सो वी आर गेटिंग करेक्ट फिगर्स बिकॉज ही नोज द फिगर
Yes.
किती लागून केली
आणि
One
एंटरटेनमेंट
second.
10 असले 15
One
केले.
second.
15 केले. Okay.
एक minute,
I'll
I-
one more add. I'll add to your thing. 10% एंटरटेनमेंट असले 15%.
15% केले. Okay. Okay.
ओके
Alex, what is the point?
किती लागून गेले लँड कझिनोचेर 25 लाख आहे ते डिफरन्स कित्याक अडेज कोट्यो अँड फ्रॉम 5 lakhs फ्रॉम 5 crores नॉट 6.5 crores सेकंड 2000 आहा ती कित्या 500 रुपया केली
कित्याक? You don't ask questions, you give answers.
कित्या केली
Yes, कित्याक केली?
I am saying,
want me to
I am
answer? I'll
saying-
answer.
I am
No,
not-
no, I'll come to you.
I'll answer
कित्याक
this.
केली?
You defend it. I will make an answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
Compensate.
Land casino kaba kurpak. I'm making a very serious allegation. Land casino kaba kurpak. offshore casino of Monopoly Dew Park, and Monopoly Dew Park, Eklan, like for example, others will cooperate, others will get finished, and one fellow takes over all the casinos and makes
That
a
is
monopoly.
Jaidev Modi.
Yes.